Okay, now guys, before we actually get started, if you've not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Now let's take a look at our Euro USD for the day, which we'll be looking for at on the 3rd of August 2020. As we can see, our Euro USD now on the daily time frame, we are starting to have this bearish move. By the way, if you are to see it, by the way, we can see that our price has actually been ranging within this area here, where our price has actually been ranging. This is our support and this is our resistance level, and our price has actually gotten to our resistance and is now falling straight down to our support level. I also did analysis on our weekly time frame, where I showed, or you can go back to watch it on our Euro USD, where we predicted that once our price falls and hits this our support level, we will be seeing a bullish move. And today we actually opened and we are closing green. Tomorrow too will also open and also close green. So very much likely our USD index will go. We would want to see our USD index hit this level, which means as our USD is pushing up, then we will be seeing a fall on our euro to our USD. Now, before we actually tend to hit this key area as we are aiming for on our USD index, we would want to take out this ice here, which is our resistance level here. As you can see, we still have few more pips to actually hit it, and we believe we'll be able to hit it very soon, which is about 120 pips to go. So as we are having the bullish move on our USD index, then we will be seeing a fall on our Euro USD. Let us see if our Euro USD can actually take out this our support level, and let's see if it will break below it. If it does not break below it, then we will continue to range within this area as we are doing for some days. Now let's sit on our 4-hour time frame. By the way, we can see our 4-hour time frame very clear. Our Euro USD ranging within this level area here, and we can see that our Euro USD is actually coming to this our lows here, which is our support level. So once our Euro USD hits our support, we would very much likely to take a buy position. That is if it does not break below it. But if it does not break below it, we would want to take our buy position. But if it breaks below it, then very likely we would be taking out these lows. If our Euro USD manages to break our support level, we will very much likely to take out these lows here. And if not, then we will be seeing a bullish move on this our Euro USD, which means as our euro is actually giving us the bullish move, we will be seeing a fall on our USD. But right now, our USD index is giving us that bullish move. So as we are seeing that bullish move on our USD index, then we will be seeing a fall on our Euro USD. So watch out for it. Once we tap these lows on our euro to our USD, we're very much likely to go bullish on our Euro USD.